Secure your income. Consider a plan that shifts risk from you to the insurance company. Just as car insurance safeguards your vehicle, life insurance protects your income. Should illness or disability strike, receive a lump sum from the insurer. This shields your assets, your home's equity and your car, preventing impoundment and providing time to recuperate. In life, knowledge is paramount. We invest in education for its power. Why not heed the insights of those licensed and experienced, offered freely? If safeguarding your paycheck, family, and assets is your priority, explore our premium policy, a solution that addresses your needs effortlessly. Benefits include tax-free payouts, guaranteed security, and unfettered access to funds without penalties. Unlike traditional investment avenues like CDs or 401(k)s, our policy ensures immediate access to tax-free funds, free from market volatility. Furthermore, select carriers now offer 100% premium or monthly payment returns upon policy expiration, a testament to our commitment to your financial security. Rest assured, I recommend only products I wholeheartedly endorse, such as our income protection program. Act swiftly to secure the best rates while youth is on your side. Partner with us by filling in the brief form below. Thank you.